All right, hey everyone, Dr. Phil Batterson, staff physiologist for Moxy Monitor here. And today what I want to do is I want to show you how you can use the Moxy Monitor 10 Hertz functionality in tandem with a new controller that we created for a cuffing protocol that will allow you to automatically measure mitochondrial oxidative capacity. Let's get started. All right, so here's the setup. We have our Hokinson rapid inflation cuff compressor along with our rapid inflation cuffs. I'm wearing one on my bicep, and I have a Moxy set to 10 hertz on my forearm. And then we have this box right here, which essentially is going to automatically control and get the data from the Moxy so we can actually measure mitochondrial oxidative capacity by determining the slopes of recovery. So we have this setup program right here, and then we have our commands for the program as well. And what we're going to do is we, based on these commands, we set up this to have a protocol that will have me contract my forearm for 5 seconds, relax for 5 seconds. We'll do that 3 times, and then we will do 8 cuffs. And what those cuffs will do is those will actually help us determine what our mitochondrial oxidative capacity is from the time constant of the recovery slopes. So what we need to do first is I need to turn on my Moxy by pressing and holding the power button. And you'll see that this device automatically connects to the Moxy that gets turned on near to it. Then what we need to do is I'm going to type in start here in the command line, and then I am going to rest my forearm right here, again with the bicep cuff right there. I'm going to click enter. It's going to give me a countdown. Ready, set, go. I'm going to contract my muscle for 5 seconds as hard as I can, and then I'm going to release. Then I'm going to contract. And it's really important that we contract really, really hard. Then I'm going to release. Then I'm going to do my last set of contraction. And then I'm going to release. And then the cuffing protocol should start. You can see the band contracted, and then it releases. And we will do that 8 times. And you can see that the SMO2 values are being measured. And then we have a slope that is being calculated. And the key here is that I just remain as relaxed as possible in my arm. And we'll go through all 8 of these contractions. Still remaining as relaxed as possible. That was number 5. You can see the cuff is going to rapidly inflate. And we're still measuring SMO2, and our slopes are getting more and more gradual. So this is cuff 7. We have 1 more after this. And then there's a 5-second cooldown. And then you can see we have our fit. Our time constant is the negative 0.0141. And then we can use that to calculate our curvature constant, or our mono exponential decay. And that gives us an idea of what someone's muscle oxidative capacity actually is.